Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I have got the best set of sheets for you.
These are the Ver-Tex sheets from Bedgear, and they are absolutely incredible. They have this amazing instant cooling property, and the best thing about them is this amazing power band. So you don't have to worry about your sheets slipping and sliding off your bed in the night because these things are not going anywhere. They feel so comfortable. It's like wearing some amazing activewear. They are just so soft, cooling, and comfortable. And this power band is so neat because they also put it on the pillowcases. So your pillows are staying exactly where they are inside your pillowcase. So you don't have to worry about your pillows slipping off at night. I love that they added this tag to the head and foot of the fitted mattress so you know which way it's going on your bed. And as you can see here, you are not going to have to worry about them coming off. They are snug and secure. If you're someone who is a hot sleeper, you are going to love these sheets. They are soft and cool, and you're going to stay nice and temperature controlled all night long. We have absolutely been loving these sheets. I cannot get enough of them. Not only are they super soft, but they are really, really durable feeling, and I think they're going to last forever.
If you want to have a nice, cool night's sleep, then you need to get these sheets. You're going to love them, and that's my point of view.